Today we are making traditional Finnish fish bread. It's called KALAKUKKO. In ancient times, the fishermen would take this fish bread over for them during the trip. For that we would need a rye flour and some water. Kalakukko bread is usually we are using the smallest fish you can ever find, as the fisherman would be selling the most of his big catch and home would be just the small ones. So the bread out of the fish is made from the small fish. Kalakukko bread we will be making in Roman period oven. As you see, there are legs, so you put them on the fire. There we put the bread, and over here we put hot oil. And in an hour or so, your bread will be done.